How do I pick the best dental plan? How do I pick the best dental insurance plan? Whether you're on Medicare or on a regular employer plan, you gotta choose a dental plan typically because they're no longer included, bundled up, all inclusive in the Affordable Care Act's plans. Same for Medicare, even though you're entitled to Parts A and B, those don't cover routine dental work. So how do we choose the best dental insurance plan for us? Well, in today's video, I'll break down the top 5 things you need to consider when choosing the dental insurance plans. Hello everyone. So in this video, I just wanted to break down the 5 top things to look at when you're going shopping or choosing your dental plan in your open enrollment. Now this video is going to focus on primarily dental insurance, whether it's good or not based on the financial benefits, and how you need to look and evaluate those non-financial benefits. So the first thing we need to look at is a non-financial benefit, and that is the network. So does your dental plan cover any dentist that you know? Does the dental plan cover your current dentist? Are there any dental offices or dentists nearby? Do they have a different classification for a general dentist or a specialist? Now, many of these networks or dental plans will list their network online. Be sure to check the active dental list because a lot of these providers, similar to any other network insurance program, you can drop or join the plan as a dentist pretty much at any time. So make sure they're still part of the plan when you enroll. Number 2, most importantly, outside of the dentist, is the services covered. Is the services that you require the most covered? Meaning, does the dental plan even pay for these things? There are certain dental plans that don't cover certain services. Sometimes a basic plan versus a preferred plan will give you different set of coverages, meaning basic services like fillings, cleanings, those things are covered, but larger services like a root canal, a crown, those things might not even have coverage at all. So make sure you look to see what coverage or what services are covered. Number 3 is going to be waiting periods. And that's basically a way insurance companies for dental plans can implement a way to prevent you from signing for the plan for the first month and then reaping all the benefits and then canceling. They make you stay in to the plan, and it's kind of like a time deductible. We'll go into deductibles next, but just understand that the waiting periods are very, very important because if you need service today, but your plan has a waiting period for 6 months, maybe that's not the plan you should enroll in. Now, I've seen these plans that have no waiting periods, but give you lesser coverage in the first 6 months to a year. And some plans have a graded benefit that give you more benefits after the first year. So you really got to look into waiting periods and be sure to, figure out or at least know what kinds of waiting periods you may be subject to before enrolling. Number 4 is the deductible. Just like how there's a time deductible, there can be a financial deductible. These deductibles range anywhere from I've seen $25 to $100, and basically what that means is any covered service, so again, this has to fall in the coverage guidelines that we mentioned on number 2, you have to pay first a set dollar amount. And then after that, you can enjoy whatever co-insurance or co-pays that the insurance plan covers. Now remember, some plans have a deduction or a deductible that occurs or is invoked on all services, while some only invoke those on major services or basic services, while cleaning and x-rays are free or 100% covered from day one. Now the 5th, and probably in my head the most important one when looking at things mathematically, is the maximum benefit. Not to be confused with the maximum out of pocket. The maximum benefit is the amount that the dental insurance will pay for your services. Now this might be counterintuitive based on what we normally see, where the max out of pocket, that number that they advertise for health plans, is the most that we pay. Dental insurance plans have a maximum benefit, which is the most that they will pay. So before, signing up or enrolling in any of these plans, make sure that your services that you need will be under or close to that maximum benefit, or you could be paying 100% of services you thought were covered for your dental plan. Now, one bonus tip, some dental plans actually have a medical component to it. Basically, what this means is if you have certain illnesses, chronic illnesses like diabetes, they offer you extra cleaning and extra services because of that chronic illness. Also, some plans have what they call the Diagnostic and Preventative Waiver. What that means is that for all those cleaning services, any diagnostic services, that amount, that dollar amount, actually doesn't come out of your maximum benefit. It is included as a kind of gift to you folks for joining their plan. It's one of the benefits they bake in there so that you join them. Now, the fun part, the mathematics. Does it make sense to join a dental plan at all? I've seen dental plans in my time that are $80, $90, $100 a month, and it really only provide you with about $1,000 of benefits. Does that make sense to join? Well, let's break down a common dental plan that I have in my area, Hawaii, $50 per month. Let's make the math a little bit easier. This plan has a $1,000 maximum benefit. So theoretically, for $50 a month or $600 a year, you can get $1,000 of benefit. Now, Matt, what if I only go to the dentist for 2 cleanings a year and my x-ray? Well, in my zip code, a cleaning costs about $125, $123 to be exact. That's the average full price of a cleaning. Now, in periodic oral examination, that's that annual one you go to, is about $75. Well, $73 to be exact. So if you had 2 oral exams and 2 cleanings, that would be just about $400. So if that's all you do, well, you lost money. You paid $600 and only got $400 back. But if you had fillings, or if you had any kind of major work, the insurance company would pay 70% for the basic stuff and 50% for the major stuff. So let's say if you had any work done, then potentially, as long as that work was about $200 in benefits paid, you would have at least made out by joining the insurance plan. So sometimes it does make sense to join the insurance plan. Also, dental insurance is not what I consider to be catastrophic insurance like regular health insurance, where if you don't have it, you could be looking at paying thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars for expensive medical procedures. Dental insurance does not work that way. It kind of covers the aesthetic portion of your your dental, your mouth, but it doesn't really cover the medical problems that can occur. And unfortunately, those are really gray because Medicare and also the Affordable Care Act does have really gray guidelines on how they're going to treat different types of mouth diseases and mouth illnesses, because dental work, routine dental work, is not considered necessary by both the ACA and Medicare guidelines. Well, I hope this video gave you just a good idea and good guidelines to follow when choosing that dental plan, whether it be when you're on Medicare, when you're buying a plan online, or when you're looking at your options for your open enrollment at work. Be sure to check out my video where I discuss dental discounts programs, which are a little bit different than the dental insurance programs. And if you are on Medicare and you want to know what Medicare covers, you can check this video up here. And then, of course, I'll see you guys in the next video where we talk everything retirement, investing, Medicare 401ks. I'll see you there in the next